Good afternoon everyone, and today I am going to show a show and share related to growth, and this is human growth, and basically it's how we grow because we are humans. It says how humans grow obviously, and did you know that living beings grow and non-living beings don't grow? Living beings are like humans, plants and insects and many more. Non-living beings are like cars, planes and any drink or something and many more. Now we know what living beings and non-living beings are, but before we know how we grow, we need to understand what we are made up of. We are made up of organs, which is our internal body parts. And organs, which is this, which is lungs, heart, liver, stomach, kidney and intestine and brain. And this is all of our body parts, internal ones. And they're all surrounded by cells. Cells are very useful and there's millions and millions and millions of them. And cells are extremely tiny, you can only see them in a microscope. Now we know what cells are, but now let's see what different types of cells, what do different jobs. This is the different types of cells that I know, which is, you can tell which is your favorite inside the comments. And a group of a cell is a tissue, and a group of the cells that do the same job is a tissue actually. And tissues is a group of, that's wrong, let me think. Organs is a group of tissue, that's right. And we have different types of tissues inside our organs, but some is same, some is not. And I can tell this tissue will be having contained in these cells, and this cell will be contained inside these tissues. This is very close to how we grow, but now we know what cells and tissues and stuff are, but now let's see how cells grow. First, one cell will be there, a big one, and then it divides into two small cells, and again it will become a big cell, and it divides into two more small cells, and again the two small cells become growing, and that's how cells grow. But now let's see how we grow in the next one. Yes, this is the main part, how we grow. Mainly, when cells grow, tissues grow. And when tissues grow, organs grow. And when organs grow, we grow. And this is me, this is Jeff, and this is Dad. Jeff is just for fun, he's not real, he's just from a story. It's not the end yet, we have a conclusion, of course. You grow, I grow, but adults don't grow by now because there's something called the pituitary gland and it's inside your brain, it's hidden. Obviously it's hidden, but I don't know which color it is. But it doesn't matter which color it is. I wonder which color it is. You can, this is a challenge. You can tell which color it is in the comments if you want to. And what the pituitary gland does, it makes you stop growing in a certain age, which is an adult. But still, you grow, but not with the height, but just with the number of just the growth. And that's really weird and cool in the same time. And did you know bacteria has only one cell, and ostrich has the biggest cell in the world, but it's called a unicell. And the ostrich has only one cell, but a big one. And that's really cool because cells usually be small like this. But mainly ostrich cells I think like this or like this. And I don't know how much size it is, but it's really big. Compared to a cell, it's really small. It's really big actually. Thank you for listening to my show and share. But now I have a challenge. Say pituitary gland 5 times continuously in the comments. Thank you for listening to my show and share. See you.